Welcome back to Selena Thinking Out Loud. I have two ceiling fans here from Hampton Bay. I got them from Home Depot. This is a 52-inch LED indoor ceiling fan. It also has the light fixture with it. So fan and light combo. All the stuff came with it, even LED bulbs. So you don't need anything outside of this installation, just everything in the box. Home Depot even has instructions on the page for this product. Just swipe the images until you get to the video, press that. It'll give you step-by-step instructions. I'm just going to review this, see how it goes, see if I like it, if it works out for me. So let's jump right into this installation. So I've applied the bracket to the ceiling, and you see my white wire and my black wire. That's all I got. And then this is attached from the bracket, which came automatically like this. This is the fan unit here. So I just removed all the little stoppers that was holding the fan from spinning just now. So now we're going to turn it over, and we're going to work here with the cord. This is what's going to hang from the ceiling. I just inserted the down rod in here and routed the actual cords from the fan unit through the top of here and comes out through the bottom, as you see right here. And then this is what's going to actually hang like this from the ceiling. They recommended cutting the cord about 1 foot. It was a lot of wiring, guys, so if you don't want all that wiring to deal with that folding up in your ceiling, I think it's the best bet to go. I went ahead and used some wire cutters to reveal some of the wires. Twist this onto the white cord in the ceiling of your house, from the house, and these two actually are going to twist together, okay, like this, and then these both are going to be attached to the black wire that should be provided at your house. This was for it to be attached to your house ground wire. I do not have that with my electrical socket that they put in here, so I just connect them as instructed, and then I'm going to use the wire cover to protect it, and then I'm going to put some of this electrical tape to keep these together on the very end after I put the cover on it. So the electric tape will go around this where my fingers are, and the wire covers will cover that. And I'll do the same thing for the other one. As you can see from the house, that's for the black, and as you can, I wrap the cord around there. And then for the white, the line for the house is right here for the white, and you see I wrapped the white cord from the fan around that. So there you go, that's how it should look on all the wiring connections after you finish. Alright, I just pulled up this cover here, slid it up, and latched it to the bracket on each side, as you see. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and use the remaining 2 screws I pulled out earlier, and this should be ready to go home here. Guys, these are blade brackets. I'm going to install them to the actual ceiling fan itself so that I can put the repeller fans attachments on next. With the screws in there, you don't have to take them out of a packet and then assemble and all that. And this little peg right here you see is going to attach right into this peg, so you can line them up and then screw each side. I've already done one here, as you can see. So then you add the little repellers, and you see it'll go around like that. So let me go ahead and finish all 5, then we'll go to the next step. You have 2 options for blades. You can have this richer dark brown, or if you have a lighter decor, you can use this side. So whichever side you decide to use, make sure the blade is facing the way downward, so that when it spins, you will see this as your color. Or if you like a darker, richer look, the blade will blow and move, and you'll see this as you look up at your fan. And as you can see, I slid it in here, and then you'll see the snap, because this is actually going to pop in behind this latch, and you'll hear it snap. Okay, at this point you could just stop. If you don't want to use the light fixture, you can stop. In the video that they have on Home Depot, they do show you how to just detach this. screw that up to the covering piece of the fan, and you're good to go. That's it. And then just use this bottom piece as your decorative thing, hang your little strings for the fan, and you're good to go. Me, I want to use the light too, so for this part I'm going to just connect these two wires to the wires they have at the bottom of the fan already. You just pop them in, they latch in, and that's it. You add your lights and this should work. So I'll show you that now. All the cords are in. Now I'm gonna go ahead on and now screw it in. All right, so we have the lampshade here. Just slide it right up in there like that. And we're gonna apply the little cap, and we'll just extend the strings out. They have some string extenders as well, so you don't have to get on any step stool to turn on the light, and we'll see how this baby works. And it does have this switch here that goes up and down. I don't want to be in the light here, it's really dark now, but to make it go down, if you have it down, it's for summer, so that the light fan can blow the air down. Now in the winter time, and you just maybe want to, cool down or air out the room, you push it up, and the fan pushes the warm air in the ceiling down. So that's a great, never knew that. So I'm putting it down because it's summer, y'all. All right, here's the moment of truth. I'm gonna just turn on this light here. And now I'm gonna pull on the center one here for the light. And it works, yay, because I was so nervous. Can you imagine having to take this all back down because those wires weren't connected good enough? Oh, my goodness. Okay, so this second one here, see I attached the string extenders, really nice, easy to do too. And that's one speed there. Oh wow, that's fast. Okay. And there's a second speed, and then there's a third speed as well. Okay, pretty cool. So after doing this myself, I do recommend that you watch the video that's provided for this product on Home Depot. It will make your life so much easier. I did kind of highlight some of the things I did and noticed as I was going through the installation myself. But if you're doing this for the first time and you're trying to understand the white and the black wires and all that good stuff, and ground wire, I didn't have a ground wire as you saw to hook the green wire to, but as you can see, it works perfectly fine. It's not rattling or shaking at all because the ball, when you put it into the ceiling to connect the wires, it shows you how to make sure that it falls right into the slot, the ball slot. And it's pretty simple to put together. Just take your time. You can do it. And